Welcome to this brief guide on how to perform screen recording with PowerPoint. Have you ever found yourself in an instance where you need to do a quick screen recording, but you don't want to deal with the complexity or difficulty of installing third-party software? Well, today I'm going to show you how PowerPoint can do screen recordings. Here I am in PowerPoint, and in order to initiate my screen recording, I simply head to the Insert tab in my ribbon, and then I head all the way to the right-hand side of the ribbon, where I'll see a button in the media category that says screen recording. Clicking on this will minimize my PowerPoint deck and show me my current screen. I will have a toolbar at the top where I can choose whether or not to record my audio and whether or not to record my mouse pointer. And then I have an option to select the area that I would like to record. I can then click and drag and cover the specified area that I would like to record. If I've made a mistake and I want to change that area, I can then simply select the select area option again and reinitiate my area for screen recording. Now, once I've selected it, I simply hit the record button and I will get a pop-up that gives me a 3-second countdown for me to be able to get ready for my screen recording. And now, whilst it's screen recording, I can hover my mouse over near the top area of the window to show the toolbar again, or I can use the keyboard shortcut Windows Shift Q to stop the screen recording. Now that I've stopped my screen recording, I head straight back to PowerPoint and oh, look at this, it's given me some design ideas. Awesome. So now I can quickly and easily create my title slide for my deck, and I'm going to call it I Don't Like Mondays, and I'm going to call the subtitle Tell Me Why. And now I have a video for my slideshow background. This is actually a pretty cool feature if you wanted to have a quick title slide that's ready to be sort of sitting on the screen while you're waiting for the meeting to initially start. But what you'll notice is that at the moment, the video stops straight after the 10 seconds of recording. So I can use the Playback tab that will be in the ribbon now and select an option from the video options that says the video will play automatically. So now when I load up this slide, the video will automatically start playing, and I will also select the option that says loop until stopped. This is actually a pretty cool thing for your initial title slide. So now I have some movement in my slide, but when it gets close to the end of the video, as you'll see here, it just starts looping again. So now I have a consistent video that will keep going no matter how long I have to wait for everybody to join the meeting. I can also right-click on the file itself and save the media as. So now if I wanted to, I can actually then use File Explorer and simply save this video straight to my computer to be utilized in other software should I need to. What you'll also notice is it saves by default as an MP4 file, which means it should play pretty much everywhere. And that is how you use PowerPoint to do screen recordings. I hope you found this tip extremely useful, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to check out the channel, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.